The dream. Biff couldn't sleep. Dad told her a story. The story was about a dragon. Biff dreamed about the dragon. It was a nasty dragon. It was a very nasty dragon. Biff had to fight it. Biff went downstairs. Mom told her a story. The story was about a dolphin. Biff dreamed about a dolphin. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button so you don't miss any new videos from my side. Also do remember to comment in the comment section on any video you want me to make next time. Till then, take care. Bye.